Hello, this video is going to show how you can easily use a TI-84 Plus calculator to quickly solve any f of x function given a known value. So what we'll do is we'll take the calculator, we'll type in -5 stow x, enter, and then we'll type in our equation 4x squared minus 11x, and we'll hit enter. And when we do that, it's going to give us the answer 155. That's answer E. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, here problem 38 on test 50. Okay, so we need to enter a value of 10x. So we say 10 stow x, enter. And then we type in our equation, x to the 5th power. And then we're going to put a bracket. And then 0.5x squared plus 2.5x plus 6, close bracket. And when we hit enter there, it's going to give us the correct answer. Okay. The correct answer there is going to be 8.1 e to the x power. And also, as a summary there, we can see the solutions at the bottom. Number 10 here, if we have x is -3, so we take -3 stow x and then type in 3x squared plus 7x minus 8. And we got our value -2. Okay, we can look at the detailed solution on that one. One thing to be aware of is that, like on number 6 here, this only works for if they just give you x. If they give you x and y value, you have to do it by hand. Okay, so to get good at this, we need to do about 7 example problems. So if you want to stop and stop the video and work these out, feel free to. And I'll do them on the side here and just talk away through them. So for this first one, it's using an absolute value function. We had to hit math. It goes to the number menu, come down, pick absolute, and then type in x plus 2, get out of the absolute, say plus 3. I'm sorry, yeah. And then we hit enter, it evaluates for x as a value of 6. The next one we're going to have, x is going to have a value of 1. Okay, so let's say 1 store x, enter. And then we have to enter the equation 3 and then to the power bracket 3x minus 2, close bracket, enter. And the equation is going to be equal to a value of 3. The third one here, we've got x's value of -7. So we say -7 store x, enter. And then let's type in the equation -2x plus 1 and hit enter. And that's going to give us a value of 15. Okay, number 4 here, x's value is -6. So we say -6 store x. Then we type in the equation 3x minus 3. And we get a value of -21. Okay, for number 5, we've got a value of 4. So we're going to put 4 store x, hit enter. And then we're going to type in -2x. Let's use the square key. Okay, all right, plus 4. Hit enter, and it's going to evaluate it, -28. Number 6 there, we're going to store -2 into x. And then we're going to type in the equation -2 times 5 to the power -x minus 1. And we can just hit enter at that point. Okay, this last one, we're going to have a value of -8 stored into x. I got to hit store first, and then x. Hit enter. Now we type in the equation x, use the square button, minus 3x. Hit enter. and that gives us 88. So I hope you see that this is a nice benefit, and it can be very useful when looking at trying to solve these particular type problems on the test. Okay, thank you. Bye.